In the gap size defaults, you are defining what you want the default gaps and margins to be for your doors and drawers. Like your product size defaults, you will notice that Standard 2.0 has been selected as the gap defaults option. This is found in your account settings, and you can edit and create these default standards from there. There are a number of different options to give your job the highest level of detail that it may require. But an important thing would be to note the use of margins and how you can use them to your advantage. As an example, if you look at the upper bottom margin, it is currently set to 0, and what that means is that the door for your upper cabinets are going to be sitting flush with the bottom of the cabinet carcass. And if you're to click on the question mark being for more information, you can get a better explanation of what this all means. You'll see from the example that if you're wanting to create a finger pull for your overhead cabinet doors, you would simply add a negative margin in this particular field. So if we're to add a negative 30 margin in this field, you would be extending the door 30mm below the carcass, which means that every upper cabinet product that you are to add to the order will automatically apply a 30mm overhang. There are also visual representations of what margins you are changing to help with what and where changes are being made. Now that your room has been set with the defaults required for your job, you can press Update Room, and each product that you now add to your order will be brought through using these defaults.